Dude, don't drop it. You're gonna ruin the whole shoot. Just popped a Pepto-Bismol, and now we are ready to try a food haul. This is the Great Southern Box Company. Let's see if this food haul has any good food.
But before we get to that food, let's check out some RVs from our sponsor, Giant Recreation World.
Here we are at the Great Southern Box Company. It's kind of like if you mixed a warehouse with a Ritz-Carlton. Super nice in here, high ceilings. I'm digging the vibe. The question is, will I like this? This is chicken and waffles, waffle bar sandwiches. Let's try it. That is gonna take a lot of jaw power right there. That is extra crispy. Super crispy chicken, but inside, it's not dry. Pesto is one of my top favorite sauces. It's a really good sandwich. I love the chicken. Solid start for the Great Southern Box Company. Next, we're trying Koa. This is the sushi place. This right here is the American Crispy. This is a fried roll on the outside. It's got kani salad. We got avocado. We have eel sauce. Sounds like it's gonna be a little salty, a little sweet. Never start with the end piece because it's not the same. You gotta go with one on the interior. We're gonna put the kani salad on here. American Crispy from Koa. I'm digging that. Great salmon flavor, crunchy on the outside, a little salty from that fried, and then it's got eel sauce on it, so it's sweet as well. Let's go one more. Dip it in that eel sauce. That's good. That's good quality sushi. Right now we're cooking with a burrito. If they ever give you a lime, you better squeeze the lime on there. It's a rule. Really holds together nicely. We'll see. Some unexpected flavors in there. The rice has some nice flavor. It's really good. When you come here, all the meals are like 20 bucks. So, smart thing to do. Grab this thing, which could easily fill me up, and then this is good for my 3 children. Ridiculous amount of food. Definitely split that. I like it. We conquered the Great Southern Box Company, and when I come back here, I'm gonna do the sushi again. That was my favorite.